friends, it's your Mitzi Lighting Stylist here, LaDonna. Today I'll be showing you guys how to install a plug-in wall sconce to create a cozy reading nook in any corner of your home. For this project, you will need your new Mitzi light fixture. We're installing the Whitley sconce. Assembly instructions, screwdriver, box cutter, and drill. Ask a pal, family member, or neighbor to assist with the installation of larger fixtures. First, remove the mounting plate from the back of the fixture. And using the mounting plate as a template, mark the targets on the wall. We recommend sconces be 60 to 65 inches from the floor to the middle of the back plate on your new fixture. Next, drill the holes, place the body of your fixture onto the mounting plate, and secure with set screws. Secure the metal shades with the couplings and screw in the light bulbs. Be sure to use bulbs that are appropriate wattage for the fixture. You can find that information in the assembly instructions. And that's it. Plug in your fixture, flip the switch, and enjoy your new glow. Show us your new Mitzi piece by tagging us at MyMitzi. We'd love to see it. Be sure to check out the rest of our How to Hang series featuring several other of our favorite Mitzi fixtures.